JAMB 2026 candidate, based on popular demand and because of the promises I made to those that enter one chance as a result of this question that you are seeing on the screen. Questions from the atomic theories of matter. You are going to see it in your chemistry, you are going to see it in your physics. I swear to God. If you don't see this question for your JAMB UTME, carry police go arrest me for us. I'm giving you the free ticket. No, I always hate it when I give you quality. When I give you the most repeated question and the most repeated question in JAMB UTME, you just take it for granted. That's so bad. That's so bad. If no be say I do no book, I will not do all this kind of thing. My head, they pay me. It is only after teaching, when I impact knowledge, when I remove some of those knowledge from my head, that's when I feel a little bit relieved. So guys, take advantage of this. Do not let your village people succeed. Do not let your village people succeed though. So take advantage. So what do you have to do as a bona fide UTME candidate? Get your pen and your paper to jot down everything I say. Because my class, they know they use textbook. Burn all your textbooks. Throw away all your textbook. Burn all your textbooks. So if you enter one chance, come together. You enter one chance or you don't enter one chance, you go learn one or two things from this explanation. So everybody, gather. If you don't say you offer physics and chemistry, gather, come here. I want to give you the fastest and the quickest explanation to the atomic theory. Let's go. According to each of the scientists, okay? According to their models, according to each of the theorists, okay? I want to give you their model, everybody. So let's read the question first of all. Where carry us enter this one chance? Maybe we even read that question safe. The question reads, what is the name of the model of atom that describes electron as orbiting the nucleus in specific energy level? So one of these scientists gave a postulation. He postulated that what? Electrons moves around the orbit, okay? They move around the orbit at a specific what? Energy level. So the specific energy level will determine where the electron will be, okay? Higher energy level on the outermost part of the shell, lower energy level closer to the what? The nucleus, okay? So that's that for that. And the charge they normally place on the electrons, or the charge they normally use for those electrons, are called test charge, okay? Test charge, the charge you use to test energy levels, energy in different levels of the orbits of the atom, okay? It's called test charge. Test charge. Okay, you can see that in your JAMB UTME too. So among the options, is the answer Dalton's model, is the answer Rutherford's model, is the answer BOHR's model, is the answer Thomson's model? Get your pen and your paper. Get your pen and your paper, because I'm going to explain all these models for you the shortest way, what each of these scientists postulate. Because you are going to see this question on your JAMB UTME. Maybe the answer now, for example, now Rutherford, for example, now the next one where you go see JAMB will change and again bring another one home. Come out. Now so JAMB they do, they go recycle them for you. That's why most of my students under my mentorship always blasted their JAMB without more stress. Almost all my mentees, almost all the students that I'm coaching now for this JAMB UTME 2026, most of them have burnt all their textbooks. What are you waiting for? So burn all your textbooks, and focus. Okay, focus on my lectures. First of all, make we understand the models, okay, before we pick our answer. I don't say we dey see the answer for there, but make we first understand the model before we pick our answers, okay? So the first that we are going to discuss here is the Dalton's model, okay? The Dalton's model, what does the Dalton's model imply? Very short. Atom is a solid, indivisible sphere. Now this Dalton, so now define atom as an indivisible particle of an element, okay? An indivisible particle is smallest particle of an element. That's an atom. He can still talk another one again. He can say atom of the same elements are identical and combined in fixed ratio. So hope say you dey right. The same Dalton still talk say atom of the same element, the atoms of the same elements are identical, okay? Then they resemble and they combine in fixed ratio. We don't finish that on home be that. If you see am for example, you go blast. You don't know say na Dalton talk say na indivisible particle of a sphere. You don't already know say na still the same Dalton. Now still talk say the atom of the same elements are identical, okay? So we'll go Thomson model. Thomson model states say atom is a positively charged sphere with electrons embedded in it. So he say atom is a positively charged sphere. Sphere na like cycle. It's a positively charged sphere with electrons what embedded in it. Plum pudding model. It's also called the what? The plum pudding model. Okay, with electron embedded in it. So he describes atom as positively charged sphere with electron embedded in it. You get electron inside. Rutherford postulates say atom has a small, dense, positively charged nucleus with electrons orbiting around it, but no fixed energy level. So now Rutherford now talk say no energy level. Rutherford say there is no fixed energy level. Now be waiting Rutherford talk. But he say atom gets positively charged small dense nucleus. Okay, positively charged dense nucleus. Okay, with what? Electrons orbiting around it. So he talk say electrons, okay, they orbit around them. Rutherford talk say electron dey move around the orbit of the nucleus of the atom. But Thomson, I dey give you the small difference wey dey between them. Thomson say the electrons dey embedded in the atom. That's Thomson dey talk say the electron dey inside the atom itself. But Rutherford say the electrons dey orbit, say they move around. Thomson say e no dey move, say e just dey inside. Say e no say electrons dey inside. But Rutherford talk say e dey move around am, because both of them talk say atom get positively charged nucleus. But na this one na be the small difference wey dey between their two models. And wetin be that difference? Make I repeat am again. Rutherford talk say electron dey move around the orbit of the nucleus of the atom. But Thomson talk say electron dey inside the atom itself. That's e dey inside, e no dey move, e just dey inside. So that's the small difference. Na only Bohr na talk say electron dey move around the nucleus for a specific energy level. At a specific energy level. Remember say Rutherford talk say electron dey move, but Rutherford talk say no specific energy level, no fixed energy level. Na be wetin Rutherford talk. See am for here. He say but no fixed energy level. But Bohr talk say the energy level gets quantity, and you no dey lose the energy level at a different energy level, different quantity of energy level. Na the electrons dey move around the nucleus. As simple as that. ABCD. So you can't know now wetin the four scientists wey dey in charge of atomic theory postulate. If you see am for your JAMB UTME 2026, you blast am. Let's go back to the question that put us in this one chance. The question reads, what is the name of the model of the atom that describe electron as orbiting the nucleus in specific energy level? Kindly drop the answer in the comment section. Do well to appreciate me in the comment section. Now that I'm alive, don't be say when I don't die now, you're going to say the guy sabi teach. Appreciate me in the comment section. Don't be shy. Just appreciate me. Your appreciation means a lot to me. Your appreciation means a lot to me. So appreciate me in the comment section, because I too know book and I did try for honor. All right. I'll see you guys in the next video. JAMB UTME candidate 2026. Peace.